President Trump has his own charges in the SDNY, specifically and elsewhere. And when he left office, he never exchanged power to President Biden. And the judicial branch basically works for him. If he wins the election, all the crimes he was found guilty of, 4 different cases, are null and void immediately. DAs that have been elected, including the one over the SDNY that charged Diddy, and the lady in Atlanta over the Young Thug case, are going to be fired immediately.
By who?
President Trump.
If he wins.
So you think that Diddy charges are going to get dropped if Trump wins?
They're not going to get dropped, but
it's going
to definitely force a judge to give him bail.
Okay.
Why would they do that? Why would Trump? Why does that correlate to Trump becoming president?
Trump has relationships with Diddy. He's gonna say he at least deserves a bail.
So let me ask you this:
Young Thug too, as well.
Young Thug too,
because he already came out and said something about it.
But ironically, Trump has cases in Atlanta in the SDNY under both these DAs. That's
so now
hip hop.
Let's flip the script now. Kamala Harris, it's the opposite, you think?
Yes, they're staying in jail, or the Young Thug trial has to continue, and Diddy has to stay in jail.
And do you think is this like because Trump wants to try to cater to the black vote?
I can't say that because he hasn't mentioned this yet in any of his campaign. But if he was wise, he would start doing so immediately.
I was just about to say, like, if that's the case, don't you think he would have been like? But they didn't have a debate after the.
He knows, like Marco said, he knows more about the Young Thug situation, but that's because that DA he already lost, has a case with that DA.
And it's a record long case. It broke all the records for like the longest juror selection, the longest case running in Fulton County history. So,
but it's actually personal with President Trump.
Shit is good, nigga. You bugging.